Yeah, okay. Good morning or good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where you are. Thank you for the opportunity given to me to do my presentation. My name is Andreas Winardi from Universitas Kristen Duta Wacana, Jogja, Indonesia. Today I'm going to talk about the overcoming the challenges and maximizing the benefits of online learning from the teacher's perspective. Okay, as we all know that the year 2020 was the year to remember. Yeah, it was the starting point of the COVID-19. And we all know that COVID-19 has influenced many aspects of our lives. It drastically changed the way we do things. We had to wear masks, we had to wash our hands, and we couldn't sit or stand too close with other people. Most of us had to stay home and stay there the whole day doing nothing. Okay. And the field of education is no exception. We as an educator also felt not to come to school or campus. We couldn't meet outside, on site, and the process should be conducted online. Of course, we need to adapt to this new normal. In the past, we could play games with our students, we could have fun activities, we could have a discussion, we could come closer to the student, we could see the student face, and so on and so forth. But now, we couldn't do that. So, the research questions are, what are the benefits of online learning? How to maximize the benefits? And then the third, what are the challenges of online learning? And number four, how to overcome the challenges. The methodology employed for this research is descriptive qualitative method. 7 teachers teaching at the language center of a private university in Jogja participated in the study. They were asked the following questions via emails. The first is, what are the benefits of online learning for students? Second, what are the benefits of learning for teachers? And then, in your opinion, can online learning replace or substitute on-site learning? And then the next one, in addition to survey, I also employed a direct observation to collect the data. Fortunately, the head of the language center asked me, the researcher, to be one of the observers of the online teaching learning process. The researcher watched for teaching videos sent by the language center, then gave comments, feedbacks, and suggestions. Now, the findings and discussion. First, we are going to talk about the benefits. The benefits of online learning for the students are, it can be done anywhere and anytime as long as they have internet connection. So the students do not need to come to the campus. They just stay where they are. Supposing they live in another island, they can just stay there at their home, and join the online Zoom meeting. And then related to A, it is cheaper than on-site learning. We just need a quota. Okay. And then C, online learning offers self-paced learning. Okay, this is important. And then online learning also improve the technology skills that eventually will be useful for them. Of course, they need to learn how to use the Zoom meeting, how to record themselves, and so on and so forth. And then this is quite important. In case the student were absent or didn't quite catch what the teacher said, they could replay the Zoom recording again and again. They can watch the video again and again. And then, of course, online learning fosters independent and autonomous learning. Because the student do it all by themselves. And then G, online learning is less intimidating for students because they do not meet with the teachers or their peers in person. So they can become more confident in sharing ideas. Usually in the class, the students, because they are shy or they don't want to be laughed at, they just keep silent all the time. So when the teacher asks, don't keep silent, say something. Okay, sir, something. But in the online learning, because they don't meet the teachers and their classmates in person, they can just more confident. And then the second one, the benefits of online learning for teachers. First, of course, is time and money saving. Yeah, it is saving time because online learning usually lasts not as long as the on-site learning. So that the teacher have a lot of time left. Yeah, okay, and the teacher do not also need to come to the campus. They can just stay home. And then B, unlimited class activities and resources. Real-world application of theory. The teacher can click here, click and there, and then show to the student. And then C, content and skills. The teacher can learn something new and developing more skills. Now, how to maximize the benefits? The first is use the time and money to do personal and professional development. Because the teacher have more time, yeah, they can do personal development, such as doing exercise, yeah, or create an ebook, yeah, prepare the materials better, and so on. And then B, to maximize the benefits, encourage the student and also ourselves, our teacher, to learn as much as we can, such as join online seminar, webinar, and conferences. In short, learning without walls. We can learn from anybody, yeah, just one click away. And then C, to maximize the benefits, we need to motivate the students and ourselves to practice self-discipline and time management. Now, after talking about the benefits, I would like to talk about the challenges. Challenges for both students and teachers. The first is technical problems such as bad signals. It is not uncommon that the student could not join the Zoom meeting, or they join and then suddenly they disappear because of the bad signal. And then the second one is lack of knowledge about technology. Yeah, this is something new for all of us, yeah, especially the teachers. Maybe the student, because they are they are familiar with the technology, it is easier for them to learn about the technology. But the teachers, we also need to learn. Then the next one is lack of motivation. The students are less motivated to do the online learning because maybe they are bored, because the activity is just to listen to the teachers, yeah, so they get bored easily. And the number 4, lack of students engagement. Yeah, sometimes the students just show the names without showing the face, yeah, with they made excuse because of the signal is bad, so I cannot open my video, I just show my names there, yeah. Okay, and we don't know as a teacher whether the student really joined the Zoom meeting or they just put the name and do something else, yeah. And then this is number 5, the students might cheat because no supervision. When they do assignment, they can just open book or they can ask somebody, yeah. We don't know. And then how to overcome the challenges. Yeah, number 1, yeah, we can record the Zoom meeting and put the recording in a Google Drive so that the student can watch the video over and over again. Yeah, okay. So this is one of the benefit also, yeah, that the Zoom meeting can be easily recorded and then we can revisit the material. And then how to overcome the lack of knowledge about technology. Yeah, no other ways, just learn about the technology. Yeah, okay, and then how to handle the student lack of motivation. We can educate and motivate the student. We can say to the student, for example, first, you are lucky, yeah, to have an opportunity to get a higher education. Even luckier because you have the facility to join online meetings. Not many people are as lucky as you. You must be thankful and value the opportunity. And then we can see that, okay, we can tell the student next. Second, you can choose your action, but you cannot choose the consequence of your action. For instance, you can choose not to join the online meetings, but you must be willing to accept the consequence of failing the class. Lastly, I would like to say to my student that losers always make up excuses. Winners, on the other hand, find ways. So if you say, so I feel so sleepy when join the online learning. Well, get a cup of coffee, or wash your face, or do a little exercise, and so on and so forth. Supposing the students say, oh, I have a bad signal, you can join the neighbors, or you can change device, and so on and so forth. Yeah, okay, so tackle the challenge. And then number 4, how to handle the student's lack of engagement. We can engage the student by asking questions. And then when we ask question, when the student answer, they have to show the face. Yeah, after that they can turn the video off again. But when they answer the question, they can show their face so that we can see, and then the other student can also see the face of the student who answered the question. And then also we can have fun activities like Kahoot, quizzes, Padlers, and many other apps. I found that the students enjoy this activity, this quiz, Kahoot, quizzes. They are so enthusiastic in learning. And then how to handle to make sure that the student do not cheat. Yeah, we can personalize or customize the assignment. So instead of giving them multiple choices question, we can ask them to make a kind of essay, yeah, and so on, so that we can know that the student make the assignment by themselves. Okay, so the conclusion, yeah, it's because coin has two sides. Yeah, online learning has its own challenges, but on the other hand, it also has a lot of benefits. Our job is to overcome the challenges and maximizing the benefits. But whether it is online learning, on-site learning, or blended learning, as long as we love our job, we will be able to teach effectively and the student will learn heavily. Let's remind ourselves that the teacher's most beautiful asset is not a head full of knowledge, but a heart full of love and a hand willing to help. So, be a passionate teacher, everyone. Happy teaching, good luck, and thank you.